Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. 10 Minutes Exploration. Today we are going to talk about a fascinating topic, how the Earth was formed. Have you ever wondered how our planet came to be, what it was like in its early stages, and how it evolved into the home we know and love today? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you on a journey through time and space, and show you how the Earth and its moon were born out of a cloud of dust and gas around the young sun. This is a story of billions of years, of cosmic collisions, of volcanic eruptions, of ocean formation, and of life emergence. So buckle up and get ready to explore the history of Earth. The story of Earth begins about 4.6 billion years ago, when a giant cloud of dust and gas was spinning around the young sun. This cloud, called the solar nebula, contained the ingredients for making planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. As the cloud spun faster and faster, it flattened into a disk shape. Gravity pulled the dust and gas together into clumps, which collided and merged with other clumps. These clumps grew bigger and bigger, forming what are called protoplanets. One of these protoplanets was Earth, the third one from the Sun. But Earth looked very different from how we see it today. It was extremely hot, and probably covered with molten magma. It had no atmosphere, no oceans, and no life. It was constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets, which brought more material and energy to the young planet. One of these collisions was so powerful that it changed Earth's destiny forever. About 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized object, named Theia by some scientists, smashed into Earth with tremendous force. The impact was so violent that it melted both bodies and threw a huge amount of debris into space. Some of this debris fell back to Earth, but some of it stayed in orbit around the planet. Over time, gravity pulled this debris together and formed a large sphere. This sphere became our moon. The formation of the moon had several important benefits for Earth. First, it stabilized Earth's rotation and tilt, creating a regular cycle of day and night, and seasons. Second, it slowed down Earth's spin, making the days longer. Third, it created tides in the oceans, which influenced the climate and the evolution of life. Fourth, it shielded Earth from some of the impacts from space, reducing the frequency and intensity of asteroid strikes. After the moon was formed, Earth continued to cool down and develop its layers. The heaviest elements, such as iron and nickel, sank to the center, forming the core. The lighter elements, such as oxygen and silicon, rose to the surface, forming the mantle and the crust. The core generated a magnetic field that protected Earth from harmful solar radiation. The mantle produced volcanic activity that released gases into the atmosphere. The crust solidified into plates that moved over time, creating mountains and continents. One of the most important gases that came out of volcanoes was water vapor. As Earth cooled further, water vapor condensed into liquid water and rained down on the surface. This water accumulated in low-lying areas and formed oceans about 4 billion years ago. The oceans were crucial for the origin of life on Earth. They provided a stable environment where organic molecules could combine and form complex structures. They also moderated the temperature and dissolved minerals that were essential for living organisms. The first signs of life on Earth appeared about 3.5 billion years ago, in the form of microscopic organisms called bacteria. Bacteria are prokaryotes, which means they have no nucleus or membrane-bound organelles in their cells. They can live in almost any environment, from hot springs to deep-sea vents to ice caps. Some bacteria can even make their own food by using energy from the sun or from chemical reactions. This process is called photosynthesis or chemosynthesis, respectively. Photosynthesis is especially important for life on Earth because it produces oxygen as a byproduct. Oxygen is a highly reactive gas that can combine with other elements to form compounds such as water, carbon dioxide, or ozone. Oxygen also supports aerobic respiration, which is a way of releasing energy from food by using oxygen. Aerobic respiration is more efficient than anaerobic respiration, which does not use oxygen. The first plants to colonize land were probably algae-like organisms that grew on moist rocks or soil about 470 million years ago, during the Ordovician period. These plants had no roots, stems, leaves, or flowers, but they had spores that could disperse by wind or water. They also had a waxy cuticle that prevented them from drying out. Some examples are Cooksonia, Rhynia, or Zosterophyllum. Over billions of years, life became more diverse and complex, evolving into plants, animals, fungi, and humans. Life also changed the environment in many ways, such as increasing oxygen levels in the atmosphere, creating soil from rocks, and influencing climate patterns. So that's how Earth was formed, from a cloud of dust and gas to a planet with life. It's an amazing story that shows how much our planet has changed over time. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.